How to fix unidentified network and no internet access in Windows. 1. Use some other manual IP address. 2. Reset TCP/IP stack and clear DNS. Commands include netshare winsock reset catalog netshare int IPv4 reset reset.log netshare int IPv6 reset reset.log IP protocol configuration /flushtons IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew fix /registerdns plan B launch Windows network reset. 3. Start network services. Relevant items include COM plus event system DHCP client, DNS client, network connections, network location awareness, remote procedure call, RPC, server, TCP/IP NetBIOS helper, wired autoconfig, manual only, WLAN autoconfig, workstation. 4. Disable antivirus and Windows Defender firewall. 5. Run Windows Internet connection and network adapter troubleshooter. 6. Disable and re-enable network adapter later. 7. Update Windows and all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Restart your router. 9. Use an Ethernet cable, if you have.